Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a cranberry relish. And I really like this recipe. I do make it a lot of time at Thanksgiving to share it. First of all, we're going to start out with cranberries. We have 4 cups of cranberries. These are just old cranberries. And I think I'm going to have to take the top off of this. I'm going to put it over here for right now. We have to chop most of this up, so we'll just chop it up till you think it looks fine enough. It's just a relish, so you'll know about how a relish looks. I sure don't want to get that stuff all over the house because it's a mess. Now we're going to take this out and put it in a bowl because we have to mix all this other stuff up. And it really doesn't matter about washing this up because you're going to put it all in a bowl together anyway, so we're just not going to wash it between times. That's 4 cups of cranberries. We chopped them up. I freeze this stuff too. Like if I'm gonna make the dressing and everything ahead of time, because y'all couldn't do all that at Thanksgiving or Christmas either. So I make it up ahead of time and put it in the freezer. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is 2 oranges. And all you do is cut them up and make sure they're seeded. You put the peeling all inside. I think we're going to be lucky. These are navel oranges. It doesn't have seed in them, so that's good. I'm just going to take that center part out. We're going to have 2 of those oranges. Okay, we're ready to chop that up now because all this stuff is going in the same bowl. We're doing 2 apples. I got this little thing. One of my friends gave this to me, Mary Whitlock. She had bought one for herself and liked it so much. She said, "I'm gonna get you one of those." So she got it for me, and I used it a lot. I really do like it. See, it takes the center out for you too. See, now I don't have to do much cleaning to that. See, that's pretty much ready to go. You can find these things in a lot of places. I've seen them, but I didn't own one until she bought it for me. She's a real good cook anyway. She moved away from Parkin. I hated to lose her. But she's in a little town pretty close by, so we get to see her once in a while. I think that's about right. And like I told you can freeze this. Make it ahead of time and put it in the refrigerator. And Thanksgiving, you thaw that out in your dressing too. Okay, we're going to mix 2 1/4 cups of sugar with that. And we still have one more thing to cut up. We got this lemon we got to cut up. This has a lot of seed in it. That's what we got to be careful with and not get any seed. I went to California not long ago to see my little great-granddaughter I'd not seen, and my daughter has a home in Malibu. She had great big lemons growing in her backyard. They were at least 3 times larger than that lemon. I brought a few back. My friends couldn't believe it, how big it was. Yeah, I think that's it. We just have to use 1 lemon. Let me get this. And we got 1 cup of chopped pecans that we got to put in it. I think this makes a pretty recipe. You get all those colors in there mixed together. Jane, my daughter-in-law, I think takes her lunch sometime to work, and she told me she took this cranberry relish to eat with her sandwiches. I never heard of that before. She liked it though. Now our cranberry relish is finished. We're ready to put it in small containers and put it in the freezer. I hope you try this. I hope you enjoy it. And I hope you join us on another video. Thank you for watching.